Hello, how you doing? It's so good to be back here again. It's your girl, Christian of Sharing Beauty Empire. If you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to the family. As you can see, I am already dressed. It's another CDS Thursday, and I would be going for CDS today, obviously, yes. And my CDS group will be going on a tour in Ibadan here. It's an interesting place. I will not tell you. I want you to come along with me because I know you'll be thrilled. Okay, so let's quickly go get your popcorn and your coke. All right, so let's go. So guys, we just arrived at the stadium, National Museum of Unity, Ibadan. Those are other core members. Ibadan Southeast. Yes, sir. So those are other core members. Like I said before, I'm in CDS. In my CDS group, we basically tour and promote culture. I'm in culture and tourism. If you've not watched my previous videos, I think after this video you should go back and watch it because I said so many things about being in culture and tourism. And I've made a video before on one of our tours, and I believe you enjoyed this vlog, so come along with me. I can't wait to see what is inside this museum, guys. I can't wait to see what's inside this museum. At this point, I don't know why people are waiting there. So guys, it was at this point that we're told to form lines, and we're equally shared into two different groups, okay, because we were many and could not just enter at once. It was at this same point that we got the breaking news that phones are highly prohibited. So we're told not to take pictures of anything. We weren't allowed to film. Even our bags were kept outside, no bottled water inside, nothing at all. So, and you know, your girl wanted to film. I wanted you guys to see everything that I saw there, okay, because the museum is actually an ethnographic museum that is dedicated to the culture of the different ethnic groups of Nigeria. Okay, and I also learned that the museum is the first museum of unity in Nigeria, commissioned by the National Commission for Museums and Monuments. I wanted you guys to see those artifacts that I saw because the museum has beautiful artifacts and galleries that are educative and entertaining to both adults and children. Okay, because I know that would have made sense if you saw those things, but it's because of the rules there, so I couldn't do anything. And I hope that you would forgive me. And you know, your girl loves taking pictures, so in order not to be completely disappointed, I decided to go take some pictures, you know, at least save the memories and share this short memories with you. And I hope that you love the vlog. I know you are not happy too, and please forgive me. Don't worry, my next vlog will be as thrilling as what I promised you before, okay? You're going to enjoy my next vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Forgive me, I'm equally not happy, okay? I'm equally not happy. So guys, express your thoughts in the comment section. Until then, see you. Bye bye.